We're very fortunate today to have one of my favorite clients who has graciously agreed to allow us to show her before and after pictures and also just to sit down and talk to us about a brow lift. This is Kim. So Kim, first of all, thanks for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
Why did you decide to have the brow lift?
Well, I've always had droopy eyes, droopy eyelids, and I have implants, and I have a lot of floaters, and so the lid was actually covering part of the pupil of my eye, and it was making it very difficult for me to be able to see. So it pulled part of the eyelid up, and I was able to see a lot better. So this was a miraculous recovery for my vision as well.
That's fantastic. And I remember you mentioning that you started wearing sunglasses after the procedure.
Yes, I've never had to wear them before. So I have never been able to see as much as well.
So after the procedure, what was your recovery like?
There was actually no pain whatsoever. And fortunately, I'm able to stay at home and out of the public view, but the one issue was that you had to use the antibiotic ointment to keep it from getting infected, and of course it gets in your hair and makes you look oily, so you really don't want to get ready and go out. But actually there was no pain whatsoever.
Are you pleased with your results?
I loved it. Not only are my eyebrows higher and my forehead is longer, but I can see so much better. And it's just, no pun intended, but it's a real eye-opener. It's fabulous all the way around. I love it.
What is the biggest change you've noticed since the surgery?
For me, really, the biggest change would be that I can actually see clearer. I can see clearer. I have a lot more peripheral vision. And I actually can see between my eyebrows and my eyelid for a change. So that is, it's like I'm having to change makeup at times to try and see what works. So it's just been not only visual and cosmetic, but it has been such a miracle to be able to see again.
Well, I noticed that your eyeshadow looks beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
So if there's someone out there that's thinking about having this, what would you say to them? Would you do this procedure again?
Oh, absolutely. There was nothing to it. We were in here for what, 30 minutes maybe, and you go home, there's no pain. I did not have to take any ibuprofen. I did not have a headache. Like I said, really the only issue was that being on your hairline, and oh, I will definitely do this again. There was absolutely nothing to it. In fact, it was a lot easier than fillers. You didn't really see where you were bruised, and a slight bruising for a day or two, but not a lot of swelling, and it was a breeze.
Well, thank you so much for coming in. I really appreciate it.
And thank you for having me.
Absolutely.
It's been absolutely wonderful, and wanted you to be able to see that you were unable to even tell that anything has been done. Of course, I wear bangs, but anyone that has their hair back, you won't be able to see anything. So,
well, you look beautiful.
Well, thank you so much, and thank you for doing this for me.